Hello guys, so Samsung is going to launch a killer mid-range smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy M51. This device is said to be making its way to India in September, and we know almost all the things there is to know regarding this phone, including its design and specs. A while ago, we received leaks, and now the device has been spotted on the Google Play console listing, confirming some of its specifications. Plus, the landing page for the device has already been made live on Amazon India, which means the launch is near. Also, the teaser on Amazon India's website reveals the tagline, "Meanest monster ever," and it truly is. It's said to come with a Super AMOLED display, a decent performing Snapdragon processor, then there's the monstrous battery with fast charging and a quad camera setup. This phone will give tough competition to Chinese phones in similar price range. So now let's dig a little deeper to know more about its design and specs. The teaser image shows the front part of the phone with a Super AMOLED Infinity O display. Also, the Google Play console confirmed that it will be Full HD Plus with 2400 by 1080 pixels. As far as the remaining specification goes, earlier reports suggest that the Samsung Galaxy M51 will feature a 6.67-inch display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate. Now hear me out, if the phone is priced under 21k INR, then AMOLED plus 60Hz is fine. But if it touches 25k or somewhere close to it, then OnePlus Nord will provide better value. Anyways, moving further, this phone will get Snapdragon 730 processor, which is good but not the best in the mid-range category. Also, it does not support 5G if that's what you're looking for. Also, there's 6 and 8GB RAM option along with 128GB of storage option. There could be various other storage options, but right now we only know about one. About its cameras, previous reports suggest the camera system may have a 64MP main sensor with LED flash, 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, 5MP depth sensor, and a 5MP macro sensor. It may offer a 32MP camera at the front. In the battery department, the Samsung Galaxy M51 will boast a large 7000 mAh battery, which will have scope for up to 25W fast charging over a USB Type-C port. So for multimedia consumption, this will be a perfect phone. The handset will come pre-installed with One UI 2.5 based Android 10, and it has a side-mounted fingerprint reader. So finally, what remains to be known is the price. If some new details appear or if the price is known before the launch, then I will let you know in the community section, but for that be sure to subscribe. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.